this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. I hope you are all in good place right now. So it's been a week that I have not posted any videos in my channel. I just needed to take a little break. So, and I apologize that the area is really bad. It's actually, let me show you, inside this kiddie pool, and this kiddie pool is pretty big, and I am currently working on some big canvas projects. So my entire surface area is the kiddie pool is sitting on my table. Because of my back pain, I cannot put the kiddie pool on the floor and work on there. Anyway, so I am using this kiddie pool as my background right now. It doesn't look nice, I apologize again. So this is a 10-inch by 20-inch canvas today that I'm working on, and I'm going to finish up my base coat. This can is gone. I did not mix anything in my base coat. It's just pouring directly from my can. So there we go. Let me spread my base coat a little. Today I'm thinking of a design where it'll be kind of elongated. That's why I took this oblonged canvas, rectangular, not oblonged. And I was watching this video from Olga Sobi. She does this, she does Dutch pour, she doesn't do bloom. And she calls them rainbow with color gradient. So I'm going to try something similar to that. We'll see how it turns out. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but I need some more paint. So let me grab another can, then I'll come back. So let me spin. As you can see, I'm trying to get rid of as much paint as possible on my surface. I will start with the lightest color, which is yellow, and then I go darker tone. This one is vermilion mixed with some yellow. I hope you notice that I am kind of layering the neighboring colors with each other a little. Next come crimson. Purple went next. And as you can see, I forgot to mix some yellow with the orange, so I did that before. Here I kind of messed up with the order. The dark blue should have gone before the aqua color, but it's okay. Now that I layered all the colors, I am going to add gold and black cell activator to all of them. Here I am using my fingers instead of a skewer because I want my lines to be really bold. Oops. I think I have too much paint on my surface, so we will see. I will let it dry. This is my experiment, okay? The tool that I'm using today is a chopstick instead of a bamboo skewer because my lines needs to be a little bit more prominent. And also I hope you notice that since this is a bigger canvas, I am not making my modifications really detailed, or the lines that I'm drawing, they are not too close to each other. Because on a bigger composition, if you have too much lines going on, it will become too busy and crowded. From this, I'm learning that it's very important how much paint you leave on your canvas before you start, because I have too much paint today. And I'm sure it's not going to be pretty once it dries. But I'll show you the dry result, definitely. Let it dry, I'll come back again here. I'll spin a little bit more. See, it doesn't work when you spin because this side is going further, this is just sitting here, this is going that direction. So it really doesn't work when I spin. So I have to make sure that I have exactly right amount of paint left in the on top of the surface when I do this. Let me bring you closer. So this is my close-up. I'm not very happy with what I have, but this is the first time I try this. I am going to try a couple more to see if I can perfect it. So here we go. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for being here with me and subscribing me and being my rock throughout this journey that I am taking with you guys. Until next time, bye.